Here we are. Ready to go on a run. I'm at the AMI trailhead. Forgot to lock my car. All right, so kind of a nice day actually. We'll see how this run goes. We're gonna go about 5 miles. We're gonna run out the Edson Fichter. Strap you to my chest. Should be fun. So you'll get what it's like to run at my easy pace today for if you were a 5-foot person. So I'm gonna strap this sucker on and probably do like a half-mile warm-up and get a little stretched out and see how it goes. So I wear the chesty when I do this. Hopefully that looks good. So it's about 45 degrees right now, sun's shining, there's about a 10-mile-an-hour breeze. Looks like I'm gonna run into it for most of this, and then on the way back it won't be so bad. I'm gonna put my gloves on. It's not really that cold, but yeah, let my watch catch up there. Find the satellite, looks like it just did. So I'm gonna just go out really easy, kick some music on here. Go. Man, the wind is stronger than I said. So weather.com said the weather was nice and it was only windy a little bit. I sure felt closer to 15 miles per hour. Maybe it's just where I'm at. Just whipping, but definitely a pretty day. A little bit of haze, but man, definitely a great day to be out doing some running here. Hopefully the battery in this GoPro will last. I didn't have it fully charged, and I typically only get about an hour in the battery, so should be able to make it through the whole thing. Won't have time to stop if I see wildlife, though. I do have some stuff to get back to the office and get done. So this AMI trail is it's a little over a mile. Connects to the South Valley Connector here in Pocatello, which then connects you to the trail that takes you to the Edson Fichter. So I've been running out here for years, actually. I'd like to do a lot of interval workout on this trail. It's pretty warm out here, so it's also a great place in the summertime to do heat training. Just get used to the heat, but all right. Well, 7:30 mile, not bad. Keeping it easy though. Here comes some climbing, just a little bit. If you're ever out in Pocatello and you want to do some deer sighting, this part of town is amazing for it. Especially coming off this bridge. Early evenings, there's always deer out here. Great spot. First time I tried this run was actually last week. And I didn't realize they closed off this bridge by fencing it. I thought pedestrians still had access to it, but obviously not. But I ran down to the bridge, saw the fence, and had to turn around. I had like a half mile on my run, which wasn't fun. Bridge does look like it's falling apart, so probably a safety issue. There's been some otters here at Edson Fisher the last couple months. I've just got the outdoor people going crazy, getting pictures and stuff. I just haven't been down here when they've been here. Maybe we'll get lucky. Or maybe they moved on to warmer waters. Big dogs. I smell skunk. Stopping because I just saw a fish rise. There's a duck, but I don't usually stop on a run like this, but yeah, it was over by that dock. Yeah, it must have been a one-time thing, or maybe a mini hatch or some sort of bug or something floated to the surface and the fish went after it. I wouldn't expect to see anything this close to shore, but there are fish in here. People fish it all the time. Great place to take the kids. And obviously there's stuff in here for the ducks. The only wildlife I'm going to see are those two horse dogs. Yeah, those things were big. Hey, how are you guys? Former boss. I need another quarter mile. Oh well, let's get the end. So that mumbling I just did, I was a mile and a half in at that crossing right there, I'm just over 3 1/4. And I'm breathing hard today. Well, I'm just gonna get it at the end. We're a little farther than the parking lot. No big deal. Here goes some heavy breathing up this hill. Well, how we end up with, let's do that right, not the proper way of doing this. We end up with a little more than 5 miles, so not bad. Say that. A lot of footage just shifts through and try to keep this about 5 minutes, but all in all, purpose accomplished. Took it pretty easy. I'm breathing hard today. I think some of it was just the wind taking my breath away. I don't know why, but I'm definitely hotter than normal, so that's probably part of it too. A little underhydrated. And, well, yeah. So a little stretching, a little cooling down, a little water, and then back shower, and then back to the office. And, oops, I just locked the car. Yeah, and then we'll be done, and we'll upload this to YouTube and all that, and fun stuff. Thanks for watching.